Hey everybody, this is Gary again at Tropic Trailer. Today we're in another one of our bays. We're in Chris's bay here, but he's a little shy to go on camera, so we're just going to tell you what he's doing. Chris has been here with us for about 3 or 4 years. Does great work, very meticulous with his work. Just does a fabulous job for us. But he's doing decking on a trailer today. This older trailer needs new decking, so he's putting some new pine boards on it, getting decks for these people so that they can get back to work. So if you guys ever need anything decked, any of your old trailers decked, or you need a new steel floor on your trailer, anything that needs to be done, I can't stress enough, we do everything here. We can get it all done, even fabrications on trailers. If you want to get something fabricated, you want to add something, you want to add a different jack, you want to put rollers, you want to do a winch, anything like that, we can do it all here. So if you guys want to stop in and see us, we can get a quote and get you scheduled in and get it done for you. Have a great day.